Welcome to the Traders Haven live session trade summary for the 8th of December 2009. We're going to highlight for you a couple of the trades that we took in the live room today, in the live sessions. So what you're looking at the moment is an Aussie dollar US dollar 4-hour chart. And we were watching this pair quite closely. We saw it banging up against the 200 EMA for quite a while. Eventually what formed up on the 4-hour chart here was a beautiful looking bearish pin bar. Now as you can follow that we were in a downtrend. And the pin bar formed off a level of resistance. It had the 200 above it, had the 21 and the 89 above it, and so we were pretty happy with that looking pattern. And so what the entry would have been was 0.9106, and your stop loss could have been up above the 200 level. I know a couple of the traders took profit on this one down the 80 level at 90.80 side. The others targeted the bottom 2 or 365 EMA. That's what we pointed out in the live room as well. I was in this trade as well personally. I had a GBP yen trade that I already had taken out for 27 pips profit early on in the day, and so I moved my stop loss to break even a little bit earlier. Got taken out at break even on this spike up here. But the traders that left their stop losses above the 200, as we discussed in the live room, that would have been a safe area, and they would have hit both their profit targets at the 80 level as well as the bottom trend line. So that was a nice good trade, and we set up in the room. That worked out very nicely. It took a little bit of time, must be honest. It just hung around for a while, and then it took off to the bottom, which is great. The other trade I can point out to you is the Euro USD trade. Now, we were looking at this trade for quite a while. We were staring at this one, and we saw it break below the 148.05 level, which is a 365 EMA on the 4-hour chart. This is a 1-hour chart. And so we were watching that level for a while. We saw this 147.66 level because of the previous low here. And what we were saying was we would like to see a breakout, a retest, and a continuation pattern down of that. At the same time that we wanted to see the Swissy, and let me just go there for you. We wanted to see the Swissy break above the 1.0215 level, which was the 365 EMA. And as long as it stayed below there, we weren't interested in that euro trade. But as you can see, the Swissy went above the 365, and so we got our breakout retest as we had planned. We saw the continuation pattern forming up over here, going red. As you can see, we got in short. Still in that trade at the moment, 53 pips in profit, been up to about 67 odd pips in profit, and so that one's looking good for the moment. Stop loss protecting just a little bit more than break even on the remaining half, taken off half of this trade already. So the euro is looking good, and the Aussie dollar worked out nicely for a lot of the guys in the room. So we had a really good trading day at the live sessions at Traders Haven. So pop on over to FAP-Traders Haven, guys, and join us in the live trading sessions. You can watch us as we set up these patterns, as we trade them, and you can also rate this video, comment on it, leave a comment if you want, and so on. You can pop over to the forum as well, and then read the My Daily Method thread where we discuss these patterns and the trades that we're looking at. Alright guys, have a good day, and we'll see you at the live session tomorrow.